How to add a text behind person effect. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a text behind a person. So let's get started. So this is how our text is gonna look like. So first, this is the video right here. I'm gonna make the text appear right after this person moves. So this is what we do now. First, add a text. To add a text, simply tap on the text button and then add a text. To add a text, you can add any text you want. I'll just add this right here. You can choose the color, you can choose anything you want. Now, what you will need to do is you will need to, make this text as long as the video. After you do that, you can even just choose the placement of this text. After you do so, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to select the text and then you will need to add the animation. In animation, first choose the in animation and here choose the fade in animation. So search for the fade in, make the fade in a bit longer. I'll just make it a second. And for the out animation, make sure to use the fade out option. So here's the fade out animation. Make it a bit longer than the fade in. After you do that, you're almost good to go. Now export this video and then we'll start a new project. Now start a new project. Import the video that we just exported. And then you will see this. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to add another one. It should be the one that we did not add the text. Add the original video and tap on overlay. Now search for overlay. It should be somewhere around here. And after you choose overlay, what you'll then need to do is you will need to make sure that these two align. After you make these two align, what you'll need to do is select the bottom one. After you select the bottom one, you will need to just tap on remove background. Search for the remove background option. There we go. Tap on remove background. After you tap on remove background, I'll just use the custom one. Use the brush to just brush over the area where we had the text. After you do that, it will simply take some time. So now you will notice as the person walks in, the text appears. Now you can do this more with finesse, and yeah, that is how you do it. Now tap on export to export the video and you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you put a text behind a person effect in Capcut. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and